Welcome! If you've ever wanted to save all the photos from a Telegram bot directly onto your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Telegram update, exporting photos from a bot chat is easier than ever. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can quickly back up or organize your images. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're using the desktop version, as this feature isn't available on the mobile app. Once you're in, find the bot whose photos you want to export. You can do this by scrolling through your chat list or using the search bar at the top. When you've opened the chat with the bot, look towards the top of the window and click on the bot's name. This will open the contact info panel where you can see details about the bot and some options for managing the chat. In the contact info panel, locate the three dots in the upper right corner. Clicking on these dots will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Export Chat History. This is the gateway to saving all your photos and more. A new window will pop up with various export options. Here, you'll see checkboxes for different types of content, messages, videos, files, and of course photos. Make sure to check the box next to photos. If you only want the images, you can uncheck everything else. You can also set a date range if you only want photos from a specific period. Once you've selected photos, click the Export button at the bottom of the window. Telegram will begin gathering all the photos from the chat with the bot. Depending on how many images there are, this process might take a few moments. When the export is complete, Telegram will show you where the files have been saved on your computer. Open the export folder, and you'll find all your photos neatly organized and ready to use. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've exported all photos from a Telegram bot to your PC, making it simple to access, back up, or share your images whenever you need.